Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your Huawei internet account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type www.huawei.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Wow Fiber Internet. You can look down and scroll at all the features provided, but for now we only want to log in, so let's scroll back up. At the top of the screen on this navbar, you will find something called as sign in. Simply click on it. Now you are going to be redirected to another page. Now in this login page, you can log in using two options, that is by using your Google account or simply entering your account email and password. You can choose any one of them depending upon which one you find easy. In case you forgot about your account email and password, click on these links right here and follow the prompts. That way you can again regain access to your account. Now let's simply enter our credentials. Once everything's alright, simply click on this login button right here and then you will be logged in to your Wow Internet account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log in to Wow Internet. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.